Call center crimes. Real agents, real call centers, real crimes. An awkward silence. There are sad songs written about it, movies where it haunts our heroes to the ends of the earth, nightmares about it that keep us up when we should be fast asleep. And if you're anything like Savannah, then you've experienced firsthand how deadly just a single awkward silence can be to your agent scores.
Until recently, I've always been a face-to-face customer service rep. So moving to a phone-based call center was a bit of a change for me. But I know how to interact with people, whether in person or over the phone.
So you can imagine her surprise when, during one of her evaluations, Savannah was deducted an entire point from her call score because she went silent for just 24 seconds.
I got dinged, even after I politely explained to the customer, "Please give me a moment while I process your payment." My manager said it was an awkward silence. Really? I told the customer exactly what I was going to do, and then I went and did it.
How is this the agent's fault when it's the company's process that's tedious? There's got to be a better way to eliminate awkward silences than letting your agent be the fall guy. It takes only 4 seconds of silence for the moment to grow awkward. But you have the power to save your agents and to keep dead air from killing their call quality scores. Your agents can't take it anymore, and neither can your customers. It's time to serve your agents and save your customers.